Hi guys! Welcome to today's video and welcome back sa aking channel. For today's video, we're gonna talk about the Gel X nail extension and we're gonna try on my own nails. So, magde-demonstrate tayo how to do a gel extension. Ayan. So, I think this is the best way para sa mga moms dyan na walang time to go to salon or to the nail salon. At least at home, magkakaroon kayo ng idea how to do your nails. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa salon. So, I will show you how to do it. But before we do that, let me show you what I got. So, this is a Gel X nail extension from Aprés. So, this is the box. Naka-dust bag pa siya. So, let me open it for you guys. So this is how it looks. Ayan, so this is the LED light for the nails. And then we have the gel top coat, the gel of course, the primer, and the dehydrator. So this is what you use to dehydrate your nails para mas makapit siya. So and we also have a nail file here from Aprés. Meron din siyang kasamang cable. Ayan, of course, ayan, naka-charge naman siya, but all you have to do, I think, is to press that one. Ayan yung ilaw niya. Yan. So, pag tinanggal natin itong ibabaw, tala sa mesa, no? Ayan. Tingnan natin siya. Ito yung gel extension. So, I was trying to purchase their square, small size, kasi ayoko ng sculpted. So, there's two different beds. Because I have a flat nail bed, gusto ko yung flat lang na, what do you call that? Natural. Kasi hindi sculpted yung akin nails. I have very flat nail bed. So, ayoko na. Sculpted means curvy. Yung curvy yung ano niya, yung ibabaw yung nail bed. So, but, they don't have available on their site. So, ang kinuha ko is yung coffin medium. But natural as well. It's not sculpted. So, ito siya. Ito yung gel nail extensions. Hindi siya plastic. So, this is made by gel. Kaya, mas maganda to. This is very flexible. Ito siya. Kahit na i-press nyo siyang ganyan, you cannot see hindi siya nagkakaroon ng dent, ng bakat. Very flexible, malambot. Usually, pag bumili kayo ng ganitong nakabox, there's a number which is define their sizes. So, usually, it's 1 to 10, but there's no 10, so it's a 0, 0. So, isusukat nyo yung nails nyo according to your size. Ganyan. So, later, medyo ikakat ko siya. But it's not really that long. Kasi, pag nilagay ko na siya sa nails ko, parang half an inch lang yung haba niya. So, actually, it's okay. Maarte lang ako. Okay? So, ayan yan. What else is in the package? So, yun lang. And then, there's also a manual as well. Siyempre, pag bumili kayo, laging may manual. And an instruction. So, excited na ako kasi first time kong gagamitin to. So, let's try it. Okay, guys. Let's start for our gel nail extension. So, we're gonna prep our nails using a gel manicure method on the natural nails. So, what I'm gonna do is just gonna put cuticle softener and I'm gonna push my cuticle and I'm gonna do it through all the nails and remove the dry skin using my nail clippers or nipper, what we call that in the Philippines. So now that our nails are ready, we are gonna put first the dehydrator. This is their pH bonder. So this is from Aprés dehydrator for the nails. And then after the dehydrator, we're gonna put our primer. So this is the second step that you're gonna put. Okay, and after that, we're gonna measure our nails. So, kukuha tayo ng nails na fit lang sa ating nails, of course. So, let's do this. Okay, so after nating masukat, we're gonna prepare our nails. Ito yung mga nails natin. So, using my e-file tool or nail drill, we're gonna kind of drill a little bit sa loob ng nail gel para mas maging adhesive siya, no? Mas maganda yung kapit. So, even hindi Aprés yung gamit nyo, mga dupe na nail gel extension or artificial nails, usually maganda pag medyo pinafile mo yung ilalim. So, ayan. And now, natapos na. Tatabi muna natin. And then, using our extended gel. So, ito yung extended gel nila. So, maglalagay tayo ng very thin layer lang. Huwag masyado madami. Then after that, we're gonna cure extended gel on our fingernails with the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And if you're using a UV lamp, it's gonna be 2 minutes. Okay, now na na-cure na natin, we're gonna apply extended gel to the underside contact of the Gel X nail tip. So, dito siya. We just put just enough to cover the natural nail. So, wag naman exage. Hindi natin kailangan sobrang damihan dahil kakapit naman siya. And then we're gonna use our thumb to press Gel X tip into the fingernails until the gel flows to the edge of the nail. So, 45 degrees from the tip, ipupush natin pababa. Ganyan. We have to hold it. Medyo struggle ng konti itong gawin mag-isa, but in the long run, masasanay din kayo. So, cure it for 10 seconds. Rotate it a little bit para lahat ng angle ma-cure. Kasi syempre, hino-hold nyo siya. So, make sure na na-cure siya lahat para ma-ensure yung all sides niya is cure. So, yan. Pati ilalim. So, as you can see ako, sometimes hindi ko maiwasan yung may bubbles ng very, very light lang naman. Kasi nga, sobrang flat yung aking nail bed. So, ayan, nakabit na natin yung isa. Let's proceed to the next one. Ayan, nakabit na natin lahat. So, we're gonna cure the entire hand to the LED lamp for about 30 seconds. So, now we're just gonna file the sides. Then, using our e-file, ipa-file ko lang yung bandang cuticle to make sure na malinis yung ating cuticle area. And after that, dahil hindi ko masyadong prefer yung ganito kahaba dahil sa work, so I'm just gonna cut it. But you can leave it like that and then put your favorite polish as you preferred. So, but ako, putulan ko siya using my nail clipper. So, nasa sa inyo kung anong length na prefer nyo. Actually, maganda yung long, kaya lang mas gusto ko yung maiksi. So, ayan, tapos na nating i-cut. So, ibabuff na natin. So, now that our gel is already cut and buff, na-buff na natin. So, we're gonna be ready for application of your favorite polish. So, any polish will do. So, I will gonna choose white para mag-match siya sa aking kabilang kamay. So, this is the gel polish. So, I bought this at Amazon. Soak off gel too. Ayan. So, maybe I can put the link below to check for you guys to check it out. Okay, now we're gonna cure it for about 30 seconds again. And we'll do the second application or a second coat. And now we're ready to apply our top coat. This is their top coat gel, non-wipe. So, mas maganda to kasi hindi nyo na kailangan ng punasan, wala siyang residue. Okay. So now, it's all done. We're ready to put our cuticle oil. So I'm using the Sally Hansen vitamin E oil for cuticle. So we're just gonna put to the cuticle just a little bit to prevent dryness. Then we're just gonna massage to our nails, and you see, very pretty, simple white gel nails. And there we go, guys, we have our gel nail extension at home. So I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe on my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.